Hi, I'm Cori Somm. I'm a page with the LA County Library. Today I'm acting as a disaster service worker for the Magic Mountain Megapod vaccination site. I come here and join others, and we're setting up for the day to basically take attendance for the other DSWs that come into our site and assisting with checking in the SNAP nurses. And we have the favorites, which are also a traveling medical group. We all have a common goal. Somebody has a minute, they're helping somebody else. I believe the work that I do is impacting LA County, and to me, I'm driving to work and I can't wait to hear how many vaccinations we gave the day before. That's the most exciting, to hear how many people we've actually helped.